Welcome back to Volex Automobile, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, in-depth insights, and all things automotive. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive into something truly special today, the 2025 Jaguar GT. Jaguar has always been a brand that blends luxury with performance, and the 2025 Jaguar GT takes this philosophy to a whole new level. This car is not just about speed, it's about redefining what a Grand Tourer should be. From its aggressive styling to its cutting-edge technology, this car is designed to thrill. The first thing you'll notice is its striking design. Jaguar has given the GT a bold new look with sleek aerodynamics, a low-slung stance, and a front grille that demands attention. The LED headlights are sharper than ever, featuring Jaguar's signature DRL pattern that adds to its menacing appearance. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, giving it a dynamic presence even when it's standing still. And those large alloy wheels, they not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also improve performance by reducing drag and increasing stability at high speeds. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that exudes luxury and sophistication. Jaguar has spared no expense in making sure this car feels as premium as possible. The interior is wrapped in high-quality leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, creating a perfect blend of sportiness and elegance. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster and a massive touchscreen infotainment system with the latest Pivi Pro software. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. The seats are not just comfortable but also designed to keep you in place when you push this machine to its limits. Now, let's talk about what makes the 2025 Jaguar GT truly special, the performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a twin turbocharged V8 engine producing a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 800 horsepower. This means the GT can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest Jaguars ever built. Power is sent to all four wheels through an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum grip and stability even in the most challenging conditions. Jaguar has also incorporated an adaptive suspension system that constantly adjusts to road conditions, providing a perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking sharp corners on a twisty road, this car delivers an exceptional driving experience. The steering is precise, the throttle response is instant, and the exhaust note, absolutely intoxicating. It has that deep, growling roar that reminds you this is a true performance machine. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Jaguar GT is loaded with cutting-edge features. The car is equipped with an advanced driver assistance system that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for effortless parking. It also features Jaguar's latest AI-driven driving modes, which learn your driving habits and adjust settings accordingly to enhance performance and efficiency. Another standout feature is the augmented reality heads-up display, which projects key information directly onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road at all times. Efficiency has also been taken into consideration. Despite its immense power, Jaguar has integrated a mild hybrid system that helps improve fuel economy and reduce emissions. This means you get incredible performance without sacrificing efficiency, making it a more practical choice for daily driving. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Jaguar GT is expected to come with a premium price tag, starting at around $150,000. While that may seem steep, you're getting a car that combines breathtaking performance, state-of-the-art technology, and luxurious comfort all in one package. It's not just a car, it's an experience. So, is the 2025 Jaguar GT worth it? If you're looking for a high-performance Grand Tourer that offers luxury, speed, and advanced technology, then absolutely. Jaguar has truly outdone itself with this model, and it's set to give competitors like the Porsche 911 Turbo and Aston Martin Vantage a serious run for their money. That's it for today's review. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Jaguar GT? Do you think it's the ultimate Grand Tourer? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Volex Automobile for more exciting car content. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.